Welcome to Brown and Hurley, two iconic Australian families whose partnership is driven by the commitment of principles before profit, ensuring a loyal customer network for over 77 years. Known as the Big Truck People, Brown and Hurley strive to meet all your truck and trailer requirements, selling some of the world's best brands of prime movers, DAF, a bestseller in Europe, and the market-leading, Australian-made, purpose-built, tough, unrivaled Kenworth. Their trailer range of Hercules, Kruger, Pumper, McMurray Welding and Schmidt's Cargo Bull has all your trailer requirements met. Brown and Hurley have you covered for sales, service and spare parts from their 14 strategically placed dealerships across Queensland and northern New South Wales. Through our Brown and Hurley Pack Lease division, there's the added benefit of a late model rental fleet of trucks and trailers to support clients during those peak demand periods.
My belief on why Brown and Hurley has been successful is because of the investment the company makes into the business. Always trying to reinvest as much profits as we can back into the business to better serve the clients. The other thing is we've been lucky enough to be tied up with some very successful manufacturers, which has given us good product to put out into the market.
Proudly celebrating over 77 years in business, Brown and Hurley continues to keep Australia moving by investing heavily into their people and best-in-class service centres. Visit Brown and Hurley, who can provide solutions for all your truck and trailer needs.